Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect a Wix domain to Hostinger step by step in 2026. This tutorial is made for complete beginners. So if you bought a domain on Wix, you want to use Hostinger website, Hostinger hosting, you don't understand DNS, or this is your first website, don't worry. I'll explain everything slowly, clearly, in simple terms. By the end of this video, your Wix domain will be successfully connected to Hostinger. Let's start. Understand what we are doing here. Right now, your domain is on Wix. Your hosting is on Hostinger, right? We are going to tell the Wix domain to point to a Hostinger's servers. That's it. No files are moved, or no website is deleted. We are only changing DNS settings, or CNAME for that matter, right? Now, what you need before starting, make sure you have a domain purchased on Wix, a hosting plan on Hostinger, access to both accounts. If you don't have hosting yet, pause the video, buy Hostinger hosting, and then come back. Now log into your Hostinger account and go to hosting, or you can do through Wix, basically. Get the relevant DNS records, A and CNAME record from your site host. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to domains in your Wix account, right? Inside the manage.wix.com/account/domains. This is your Wix settings. What we're gonna do, we're gonna go and connect a domain you already own. Maybe here you will see actually your own website that you bought, right? So inside click the domain action icon, and you're gonna find 3 dots next to the relevant domain, and select manage DNS records, right? And what you're gonna do, edit your CNAME records as needed. Note, ask your new provider for the relevant records, host name and value, right? In our case, Hostinger. Okay. Now you can update a CNAME record, right, by updating the C here, or add a name record. So what you're gonna do, or add the CNAME record, hit the plus button, click got it in the pop-up, enter the host name and value in the relevant field, and include www prefix here for host name, click save. Okay, you can do it essentially from your Wix by going to, again, manage.wix.com/account/domains, and you're gonna find in the left-hand menu domain actions. Next to your domain, find the 3 dots and hit manage DNS records. Okay, and then you're gonna just change it and hit save. Okay, basically that's it. Okay, you can add the domain inside Hostinger, right? You can go back to the Hostinger, and inside your hosting panel, go to domains, right, and click add or new admin, or click get new admin, and enter your Wix domain and save. This step tells Hostinger this domain belongs to this hosting, right? You can assign domain to website if needed. If Hostinger asks, choose which website to assign the domain to, select your main website or create a new one. Confirm and continue, and wait for DNS propagation, which is very important. Now we wait. During this time, website may load sometimes not. This is normal. Do not change settings repeatedly, panic and undo changes. Just wait and check if the domain is connected. After some time, open your domain in a browser. If you see a Hostinger default page or your website, the connection is successful. If not, wait longer, refresh cache, try incognito mode. Now, avoid these mistakes: entering wrong name servers, mixing DNS records manually, or changing settings too many times, expecting instant results. DNS needs patience. Now, do you still need Wix after this? Once connected, you no longer use Wix for hosting, you still use Wix to manage the domain. As for billing, domain renews on Wix, hosting renews on Hostinger. They stay separate. What to do after connecting the domain? Install WordPress on Hostinger, upload your website, add SSL, usually automatic, start building your site. Your domain is now free to use. Now, if it doesn't work, double check name servers, wait 24 to 48 hours, contact Hostinger live chat. Hostinger support is beginner friendly. Now, connecting a Wix domain to hosting in 2026 is safe, beginner-friendly, very common. Once done, you control your website. You're not locked into a Wix hosting. You can build freely. Take it slow, follow each step, and don't rush DNS here, okay? So, if this step-by-step guide helped you, like the video, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload, and comment below if you want hosting good WordPress comparison or review to each website, or just full website beginner walkthroughs. So thanks for watching, and yeah, I guess we will leave it at that. Make sure that your both websites are fully updated to the latest version, including your browser for that matter, right? Because maybe your browser is, maybe you didn't update your browser in a while, so maybe you can expect some problems there. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.